The last thing I need upon waking up is make the bed. The bed Scrunchie is the smart solution. It's a 360-degree sheet holder that keeps it tight while you sleep at night. I bought mine from their website. With a simple sign-up process, I got a coupon code and paid only $35. Not bad. And here it is. I must say, packaging is pretty damn good. What's this? Thank you card. Send feedback, yada yada yada. Ta-da! That's Scrunchie. I guess these are the fabric clips. There are 8 pieces of them. If you need more, you can always scan the code. And this is the parachute strength bungee cord. They say the clips can support up to 70 pounds without damaging your sheets, while the cord supports up to 500 pounds of resistance. Ooh, instructions. Okay, let's put it on, shall we? With the elastic side of the bed sheet facing up, attach clips roughly 10 to 12 inches on both sides of the corners. Once you've attached all the clips, you can now fasten the cord. Just make sure the buckle is centered at the foot of the bed, with the bed Scrunchie logo facing up and the rope coming toward your feet. Place the fitted sheet on mattress as you normally would, starting at the corners. Grip the bed Scrunchie and the sheet together when doing so. Make sure your bed Scrunchie is placed fully under the mattress. Slide the wheel lock up to the buckle. Pull the rope apart in opposite directions until it's tight and resistance is felt. Secure rope safely under the mattress. Whoever invented this is a genius. I could not have been more happier. You can also find assembly instructions of the bed Scrunchie on YouTube. For more information and to purchase, visit bedscrunchie.com. See you later.